everyone. I, CA Shreya Gupta, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Commerce, Parul University, welcome each and everyone to this webinar on mindful learning, which is the part 1 of the 2 webinar series. First of all, I would like to introduce our guests. Dr. Asisi Menacharya. Dr. Menacharya serves as the Vice President at QMPG Industrial Certifications and Services. He has demonstrated excellence in multiple areas. His mantra is love whatever you do and enjoy the process. He is excited about whatever he does. He was a top performing sales professional in India and one among the top 50 in the world, earning multiple international awards consecutively for 3 years from US and Europe. He has conducted more than 1,150 third-party audits in 25 plus sectors in the areas of quality, environment, food safety, health and safety, and social accountability that includes manufacture of nuclear-grade uranium. He is also a certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt. He has conducted 97 third-party audits in the area of K-12, higher education, non-formal education, training and knowledge management in 3 countries. He also served as the Director of Hycon India Limited, Director and CEO of Horsch Remedies Limited, and Director of Marketing of Zeba Lab Furnishing Private Limited. He has consulted and conducted trainings in more than 350 organizations during the past 18 years. He is an alumnus of IIM Ahmedabad for the full-time FDPM program, BSMED, Bharatiyar University and University of Madras. He is trained in physics, applied in clinical psychology, HRM, HRD, management, marketing, and enterprise risk management with an earned PhD in the area of emotional intelligence and managerial effectiveness. He is an astute practitioner of Sahaj Mark, a method of Raj Yoga or mindfulness practice for past 30 years. He is the author of 9 books and one is translated to European languages, 9 European languages. He has worked as an associate professor, and dean at multiple management schools. His latest 2 books, the core focus is in the area of mindfulness. He has conducted a meta-analysis of wisdom literatures of Oriental, Eastern, and Western literatures using thematic analysis and working on his 10th book on mindfulness named as Essence of Excellence. He has traveled to US, Europe, Canada, Middle East, and Far East to attend and present papers in international conferences. He has published 28 articles in peer-reviewed journals of repute. On behalf of Faculty of Commerce, Parul University, I welcome you, sir. Now I'd like to introduce our next speaker, Dr. Giselle George. She is the wife of Dr. Menacharya, completed her graduation in education and mathematics and post-graduation in mathematics and business administration. She came out as a topper for KAU MAT entrance test with the Federal Bank Hormus Therapin Scholarship for doing her MBA APM covering full fees. Later, she successfully completed her doctoral studies in an area, employee engagement, role of spiritual intelligence and knowledge management. Presently, she is working as a faculty in the area of quantitative techniques and organizational psychology. She is an author of 4 books, half a dozen research papers, and attended or presented papers in international conferences in Switzerland, India, and Malaysia. She is working on her next book, The 7 Spiritual Laws to Face Failures. She is working as a faculty in management at SNGI-ST Group of Institutions at Kochi. I welcome you, ma'am.
Well, let's discuss about transactional levels of learning. What is transaction? See, let's think we are going to a retail outlet where you are getting or they provide you a product or service in exchange for money. So this is a primary level of transaction. Similar to that, take the emotional level. You give love to your wife or your husband or your parent or your girlfriend, and she is also giving it back. So it's an exchange of give and take, whether love or acceptance or respect. Let's take acceptance, whether you include people and accept them or exclude people and reject them. So it's all transactional. Okay. So at the transactional level, everyone prefer to win or gain. In education also, for the money one provide, especially when the self-financing colleges and universities came in, for the money one provide, a student want to gain something, perhaps a good grade, certification, a job, salary and livelihood and so on. Right? Am I right? Yeah. That's all perfectly okay. That all are common, that happens in the day to day life. Well, but what happens to that? At the transaction level, we may say, I want to gain, or I want more, or I want to win. But coming to higher education, the challenge here is, when I get more, I am more happy. Higher the gain, higher the happiness. Higher the loss, higher the grief. So, for this, society has conditioned a learner to gain more, to compete, to be number one